just unpack on indaba kaMihlali Ndamase. Kunini ngi-avoida indaba yalosi Silo ngithi hayi man, you know what, mhlambe it's a dream. Hayibo, until ngize ngiyidiscuss with one of my family members, I was just like, hayibo, she was just like, uzwile mara. I was just like, hayibo. So how did we get here? You engitshela nje the way bemdake ngakhona kuma-tweets, futhi ama-tweets aphesheya, bathi bamenzeni overseas usisters, bebemhudula phansi. Njengengubo indala-ke yena-ke they just about to throw outside. I was just like, sister, shouldn't have done this to herself. And Mihlali, they get like real deals of brands. Why would you be this person? I was just like, our sisters, we need to calm down. Look, how did you get here? You know, go sisters, esehamba ke overseas yena noLinda Mtolo ke bebiziwe uRihanna. Guys, the video is not about uMihlali Ndamase and what she did. We understand that beze bemtingela bemhudula be dragging her on tweets, social media, they are everywhere, guys. Overseas they were dragging her, and at some stage I thought like South Africa bantu bazomela, as no one actually stood up for her. People were like, "Aye, you did this to yourself, deal with it." I was like, guys, wow. So mina kahle what I wanted to talk about, guys, it's the into yokuthi futhi angasho sithola because mina I've never gotten any brand. I've just started mina kulezi zinto zokuba influence, and uyabona ukuthi now we're more into the news, we're into beauty products and all of those things. Just as much as I have a network marketing company called Inuka, where I am selling products on my other channel, my lifestyle channel, Pamela Maka Wealth and Lifestyle, I will be selling like your Mgalelo products, which I teach you all soaps, like your beauty products. I do sell them. But what I'm trying to say here is, yindaba guys, it's in once it's umuntu athole a brand and then they think they have arrived. That's just my thing. Mihlali, guys, did she think this thing through? How she ended up like this now? No Rihanna, busy taking iy'thombe zika Rihanna, no Rihanna, and then ashintshe fage izinto ama-filters or whatever you call them, you guys. So I was just like, why would you do that though? And then start to speak about Rihanna Gabi, Gali product yakhe, big busy. Rihanna, guys, is a billionaire. She doesn't need us. Look, I don't know how to explain this. And then when you go, ufake izinto, ube muhle, bese abantu, oh, you are so pretty, you are so pretty, you are so pretty. And then, guys, overseas with uLinda Mtobo. And chances are now, uLinda Mtobo sebezingaze babize and make him the brand ambassador for these Fenty things, for these Fenty products and all of that. Guys, how do you even get off and be talking about Rihanna like that? And then Buga manje, the tweets are doing what to you? The team ya Rihanna manje sponsoring you, kisale nale, and the battery bavela block sisters, they blocked it. Is it funny now? It's not funny. How much was she gonna make, guys? They made an ambassador. If azangaze khulume lo msanga nade ukhuluma ngoRihanna. Uyabona, guys? So this video is more about brands and how we must handle ourselves. Concentrate on the bag, guys. Concentrate on the money. Concentrate on the price. Forget about Rihanna unjani, all sorts of things, guys. Who even does that? Who's just like Rihanna? And years later, ngiyayibhuka until, like I said, until I spoke about it with one of my, at the Mother's Day lunch and dinner. I was just like, with one of my relatives, I'm just like, guys, ufike kanjani lapho Mihlali? And you know how we were talking about it, it got to her head. It gets to our heads, this thing. Like, they pay you how much? They pay like 40,000, 50,000 from a brand, and it goes to your head. Why are we those people? Why can't you just concentrate on the bag? Concentrate on money, guys. Concentrate on the price. When are you busy with things that are not going to bring you anything because you wanted comments, likes? What are those things going to do for you? Nothing. Bugu Mihlali, penda pe. Give video I can give you the aftermath of Mihlali because, I mean, why would you do that to yourself? So this is a message to youngsters. There's abafuna ukuba ku social media. Ukuthi there are brands that are gonna look for you. Ne? Musa ukuba the pretty girl ozobethi ngimuhle mina buka sengimuhle kanjani ngimuhle ngidlule Rihanna. Even though uyamdlula, guys, she is a billionaire at the end of the day. And she was going to take you. The fact that she had actually invited you there. And another thing that's mistake just before she left, she promised some youngsters who are up and coming on social media about, most girls bayithanda le nto mebesaqala as teenagers. Oh, let me take my mother's stilettos and heels ngigqoke ngimodele ngiwe on them at like 12, or at like 8. I know there's a niece of mine who likes doing that. I'm just like, get off my shoes, bro. Like, what are you even doing? We are ugoka in our shoes and stuff. And nukhona kule lifestyle channel yami. So we all try our mother's things. So these ladies, one lady was going around, 3,500 wabo. Umihlali abakhokhise wona to come to her beauty, should I say presentation, tutorial? Yeah. Anymore. Childish things like that. I mean, Umihlali has been on social media for quite some time, guys. There's no need for her to behave like this. Like, who does that to themselves? Sometimes, guys, we sabotage ourselves for some reason. A childish I'm sure umorosi in pajamas, and we've been waiting for winter in Johannesburg. Winter it doesn't look like it's coming. If it's the 12th today, and gusashisa, guys, this Mother's Day was like the hottest Mother's Day I've ever seen in my life. I'm just like, what's going on with this weather? You bring that to yourself. The other day, just as much as she has been cancelled on other platforms and other people and other brands, brand deals, everything, but on YT, she's doing well. You understand? She's doing really, really well. Right. Her video that she posted yesterday is like on 20,000 right now. We are post. On the 21st, maybe also. But between 21st and 26th, obviously, she will be paid. She will be paid. So my thing is that, guys, sometimes stuff goes through to our heads to a point where you don't know yourself. There's no need for that. Who are we eating? Overseas people look at us like as Pili Lekand. It's like, how about this girl? We bring her here, the next thing she does with Rihanna like this. Those are crazy things. And also it's that ugly syndrome. Oh, she's ugly. She's ugly. Rihanna is supposed to be ugly when ufaka fillers, wafaka filters or whatever you put there to make yourself pretty. When Rihanna called you to come overseas and she was gonna give you some deal of some sort, and then this is how you do her. We don't think. You have to think about consequences. You can't. You know what is our problem? I have a late aunt who used to say that just for today, thinking about tomorrow. When she was doing those things, but is it funny now? That's why video I can be the aftermath of Mihlali. Because it's not funny, guys. Like, you've been doing brands for how long? How many brands have called you with your beauty, whatever? You've traveled. You can't behave like this. You're not a girl. You are a woman. Why are you this person? People are like, there's not even one person who's saying, I got a guys, can you just forgive it? Block everywhere. Guys, you know how hard it is. Even that, but we're hoping to get brands from Canon, some camera, some Sony, some Nokia, some Apple, somebody, to call us and be like, okay, Pam, can you just do this brand for us? We are hoping for those things, but if people are going to do us like this, Uber knows a space. Like, I understand overseas, for example. Who's going to call us? It's like this, we are crazy. And then no one, supported there. People are like, please, you can't support you. I was still telling you guys, go to sisters. 2 days before she left, ingane zabantu bezimkhokhela 3,500, 3,500. Ingane ziyafuna imali yazo just then. And then she came up with the story, no, I'm postponing the event of the tutorials for beauty and whatever. And then the next thing, you don't come. And then after 2 days, you are seen overseas. Bruh, what the HELL? Like, so ingane zithi no, imali yazo bayifuna i-refund, they don't want stories. I hope she has paid them. I don't want to see those videos again. Can we have our money from uMihlali? So nje manje eningi ufike kanjani la? I think, like I'm saying, it gets to our heads. Some of us. I mean, I've never had a brand from anyone, but I'm just saying it gets to our heads. Magwatola 1 or 2, 3, 4 brands. You go crazy. There's no need. You need to calm down. Please, just calm down. Relax, breathe in and breathe out and start all over again. You can't go on like this. But you've been on social media. Oh, Mihlali Kunini, social media guys to be these people. Hi, guys. And mina ngithi uyabona manje into ezokwenza uLinda Mntolo uzothola something. She's pretty, she was quiet there, she didn't do anything. Uvela evala umlomo wakhe washo ukuthi ithomba noRihanna, wasmile. That's all you need. Ungahambi uye overseas and make a laughing stock of us phela. That's you are presenting us basically. You go there uyohlekisa ngathi. Please stop those things. Those are crazy stuff. Like we can't go on like that, guys. And these brands yabona ukuthi hard kanjani. Mina manje ngize ngene ezitolo. Like for instance, sometimes like when there's this company that I normally go like and buy my curry powders, I'm just not gonna mention it here because I need normally gibenza on my Pamela Market Wealth and Lifestyle. I use their spices. One day ngiyabatshela ngithi nina phela yazi ukuthi ngiyana advertiser on my YouTube channel. Like, what's up? Like, when are you gonna give me some stuff or give an ambassador yenu, do something or marketing or whatever or advertise for you? Like, what's going on? So we were laughing then and the ladies that work there. So guys, manthole ama brands, can you not be these people? Nisfakele amehlo abantu. Calm down, breathe in, breathe out, and be yourself. Ukuthi nalento ukuthi futhi ke ama fake futhi also nalama the other ones laba abanye ama social influencers. It becomes a lot, guys. We can't go on like this. Buka manje akusekho mnandi, it's not funny anymore. Even nala eSouth Africa for chances are uzimoshele usisters ngobani uyaphapha. Yabo this paparing sometimes it doesn't really work. Uzocabanga ukuthi ukhona phapha out there and then like, why did she do that though? Like, I've been asking myself, I'm like, oh, where's the solar? Wherever she is, she's like, oh my gosh, like bengenzani, you know? Yeah, guys, you shut up in the she must just grow up. Thank you, guys. These young ladies bakhokhe. So there's a video going around here, one lady who's saying ukuthi sakhokha kuMihlali and then umuntu use overseas, which means uhambe ngemali yethu, because they paid ngathi 2 days before ahambe. I think they got calls from maybe one of Mihlali's assistants. Guys, isn't it so childish? When you get a brand, don't be this person, guys. How are we going to be ambassadors? How are people gonna take us serious? And I thought they were gonna be okay, can be overseas, but they were gonna be like the tweets. Oh, the tweets did what to her? They dragged her. I couldn't believe it, guys, what I saw today. And what I've been seeing the whole week. I've been avoiding this video. But I needed to speak about brands, ne? And speak about influencers that are in South Africa, how we must handle ourselves. Guys, we can't be handling ourselves. Guys, she was big, yeah. There was no need for her to be this person or PhD, pull Down syndrome, azokhuluma ngoRihanna, Hlambalaze. Rihanna, guys, is a billionaire. How do you even get off? You understand? And the chances are they were going to. And the man says, bafaka uLinda Mntolo. Ngoba uLinda Mntolo vele wayivale umlomo wakhe. Washuthi ithombe noRihanna. Wabuya uqeda lapha vala umlomo wakhe. Wena you do filters, whatever you were doing there. Ushintshana nethombe uwenze uRihanna abe mubi. What evil things are those things? Those are crazy stuff. Like, who even does that to a billionaire? Rihanna doesn't need you, bruh. Look what makes you think Rihanna needs you. Rihanna doesn't need you for anything. But if any team blocked you. So where are you now? Go my pyjama, manje, uhleli ekhaya ubuyile South Africa ubhorekile manje, you must start again and make content. Those are crazy things. You can't go on like that. Who are you? Like, how did you get here? Oh, guys, like this is just crazy, guys. Seriously, this thing. You know what's the problem though? These brands, they get to people's heads, to some of the influencers. You don't concentrate on the bag. Concentrate on the prize. Forget about the likes nokufuna ukubukwa and these fake influencers that are going on bezenza abantu engebona. Can you just be yourself and be authentic? And stop trying to be something else. Buka manje. You for likes. That's all you wanted. You just wanted likes. You forgot about the bag. How much were you gonna make? Hey, Rihanna made you the ambassador la South Africa kule fancy yakhe le. How much were you going to make? You never thought this through. Ucabanga la eduzane. Ucabanga namhlanje. You didn't think next week. Buka manje ukusuhleliphi. People are laughing at you uzenza slim. There was no need for that. Those are childish things. Imdala umehlali guys. I mean, sifike kanjani la. We understand. You've been doing this for years and months, but the problem is that ukuthandwa and the likes and the fakeness got to your head. You forgot about the bag. Concentrate on the bag, lene mali. Phela. That's all you were supposed to concentrate on. And don't mihlali bayidlile imali man. Yama brands and stuff. This brand, where was it gonna take you? Far places. You never thought of that. And it's the same thing as the attitude. Bonnie attitude can take you places. But if you're gonna be this person, he also drag my tweets, you're gonna have problems, bro. You're gonna have issues. Anti-toxic Twitter. Why do you think I'm gay coming on Twitter? You think I'm crazy? Then I realized I didn't know how it works. It's just like I'm done by. I don't need it. What am I gonna do with it? Using Enzela in. That's just my thing. Because sometimes I can't even advertise. I mean, I'm where I am on YouTube because I advertise on Messenger, actually. People didn't even know that. That's how I got most of my subscribers, actually. So even Facebook didn't even give me my subscribers that I have actually on YouTube. So guys, the stuff that we do, we need to think and think ahead. Sicabange next year. Mihlali ucabange ama-likes today ukuthi azoba 30,000 mangabe enza uRihanna abe mubi yena abe muhle. I mean, who even does that, guys? Like, how childish can you be in life? How did we even get here? I mean, guys, I'm done. I was just like, let me just give you heads up around this thing because too late enough the whole weekend. I was just like, this lady, ufike kanjani la? Ulinda mntoba ke chances ake uzovela idlela imali guys, plus she's pretty uye yonke into mhlamba abayifunayo beyiloko eyishithela izithombe no Rihanna emuhle eyismayilele. That's all you must do, guys. Don't be doing stuff that ongeke uzokwazi ukuzimela. Uyabona ukuthi manje ena akasekho umuntu okumelayo. I mean, I thought South Africans bebezomela uMihlali they were like, bra, please, you're on your own on this one. Uyabona guys, end up wedwa. People are like, awusiyeka thini, please ungasifani nomsangano wakho agula wena. Uyabona manje akusahlekisi guys, it's not funny. Bekufani ushintshana no Rihanna umtshekisa in those photos that you had wena umuhle. Uyabona ukuthi it's not right to do that to a billionaire. Buka manje team yakhe has blocked you like you don't even know what to do now. Where do we go then from here? Uyabona ukuthi akukho la so yakhona. So guys, mina ngimhleki, but all I was saying ukuthi influencers, they need to get off those high horses abakuzona lapha phezulu. And umuntu uthole enza 200,000 from 4 bands. 200. That's a lot of money in South Africa, guys. That's enough money actually. For some people bayidinga like today, abanye abantu lo mali just for once off. When ubhizi udlala ngayo, hlekana nabantu ongabazi abama-billionaires ubhizi nabo. Dragging them. Bese ucabanga ukuthi bazodlala. So abavela block. So
as the lesson here is about why you were busy drawing Rihanna drawing movie. Now you're going to draw her money. It's as simple as that. Guys, we papa like to a point where it's controlling. Because it's like I'm happening me, I'm doing well, I don't need you. You're not gonna have Rihanna's money. Concentrate on the bag. That's all that is important, guys. We papa to a point where we don't even know when to stop. This is just crazy, guys. How work, guys. As in, it just took me to other places. I was just like, guys. We don't know when to stop. That's just the problem. Hi, now you've lost. Now what? So now usuzothola umvuzo wokupapa wakho. But when you papa and be a child, and Michal is old, guys. She's not a baby. Like she's behaving like she's a child. Now, what are the other children learning from her? Go ahead, they looking up to her. Oh my gosh, this influence is so good. And now it's not the first time for into. Now last year she was involved in some things, crazy stuff. She needs to grow up. It's as simple as that. She needs to just grow up. Do you know how much me and my colleagues about YouTube censor the same niche? How much we want to get brands, but sometimes it's actually not easy in this niche to get brands unless Nikon says here you can view our camera, Sony, or all those brands that do like cameras, and those are the things we're looking for. It's not easy. Ngati, it's not easy on my main channel, on my lifestyle channel, to get brands. When you do get stuff, you are even called to come out overseas and be ube muhle lapho, and this big brand that called you Fenty when you go and play with them. What childish things are those things? Hey guys, like honestly, the stuff that sometimes we do, it's really, really unnecessary. This could have been avoided. There was no need for this. Remember, guys, last year when Uvusithandekayo outed her, Umihlali, when she lied about going somewhere in a private jet, and then she was busy walking in some red carpet. I mean, she doesn't even have to do those things. She could have done those things many times, but we knows Moshe, and then how are we supposed to support someone on trial? We understand. We want to support him. Now I want to support her. I actually do like her, but there are some things that she needs to change. Because she still has a very, very long way to go with her stuff. But now, when this into even 20-year-olds don't do these things. Yeah, so it's not the first time enza izinto ezingekho right. Uvusithandekayo out there athi bamhleka, but please, people lie, but they're going overseas, they're going on private jets, they're going on private planes. You don't have to do that. She didn't have to do that. She can just go overseas. She went and she was with Rihanna, but she messed it up. Like, why? So guys, it ends there. Indaba yakhe mhlambe soba no part 2 at some stage, but I'm just like, she needs to stop. I mean, there's no need. Guys, there's really, really no need. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Mihlali, it's a mean girl syndrome. Mean girl energy. Yeah, no problem, sisters. So guys, we stop it there. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. Really appreciate you guys. You must also check my other channel. Actually, this one is gonna be on the channel News Galore for Days. That's the name of the channel, guys. I've seen most of you supporting me there. I really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much.